Today we'd just like to show you the 2WP International Power Lopper actually in use. First of all, undo the strap. Before you do any cutting, make sure the tool's sharp. There's nothing worse than trying to cut something with a blunt tool. With our sharpener, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Just to put the edge back on it. This piece of timber is about 50mm. So the first thing I do is I bring it until it stops. I don't use the red button handle anymore. I use the green button handle for the ratchet. To help me with a bit of leverage, I bring the arms out, take it until the first notch, and then reclose it again. Go to the second notch, reclose it again, go to the third notch, close again, go to the last, cut. Just to demonstrate that again, close until the lopper stops. Use the green button arm, first notch, 1, 2, 3, and cut. Thank you.